awards goes to Don Wichino.
Para siya si Chun.
Now we proceed to the awarding of the finals MVP.
Sana si Kagiwa.
The president of the PBA Press Corps,
JJ yan?
Sir Nelson Beltran.
Hindi ko alam.
The PBA Press Corps Joyce Finals
Nandun ba yung papa mo, Ket?
MVPs.
MVPs?
Next ko.
Eric Meng and Ronald Tubin.
Talaga?
MVP siya?
Finals lang?
Siya kasi ito.
Ngawit na ako ah.
Pero pag pinasa mo yun sa amin, nandito. Si JJ.
Congratulations to the co-MVPs.
May isa lang.
Some words from all these men.
Yeah, just want to say thanks. It's an honor to play for you.
Cute
Had a
niya.
lot of fun tonight, and just want to thank my teammates, the fans, the coaching staff, everybody from Never, Mr. Kawanko,
What?
and everybody here. Thank you very much.
Of course, Ronald Tubin.
Tagalog yan.
Nebra, para sa iyo! Maraming salamat!
Mag-isa na.
Thank you very much. And once again,
Isa
congratulations to your
Sila?
2008 Smart PBA Fiesta Conference Champions.
Sino yan?
Barangay, Ginebra,
Stupid.
Checking.
Stubby. Arte ah.
Yeah.
Makasing, magkita-kita po tayo muli para sa pagbukas
Makasing?
ng 44th season ng inyong Astig.
Tapos na ka agad?
Nagagalutin sa October 4, dito pa rin sa Araneta Coliseum. Maraming po salamat sa walang sawang
Astig.
inyong pagtanggilis sa inyong PBA. PBA, Astig, ang laban ng mga bida.
Sino?
Congratulations once again to Barangay Ginebra winning the series 4-2, winning Game 7, 97-84. At ang mga napili na finals MVPs, Eric Beck, Ronald Tubin. So in this game, those two guys led the scoring. Like I said, Ronald Tubin, hindi na banggit masyado yung pangalan niya. He played in Game 4. When he came in Game 4, they were down in the series 2-1. At pagbalik niya, ang dami na naging contribution para naman kay Eric Beck. This was a game for him.
Maganda sa
Itong game
dagat.
na to, siya nagdala. And actually, both of them. Ronald Tubin had 22, Eric Beck had 21.
Ba't ayaw pa
Let's send
nila
you over to
umuwi?
Dominic Uy.
Thank you, Miko. I'm with Mr. Henry
Ganyan din tayo.
Goronco. Sir, congratulations. What a great game. Nakita natin.